Hello, I'm Anthony from Mandy and Anthony's Travels. Earlier in the year we were cruising through the Panama Canal. Halfway through the trip I had my drone confiscated by the cruise line. Unbeknown to me, there is a rule which says no drones on cruise ships. Now, I was never ever going to fly my drone on the cruise ship, and I was only going to fly it in places where I was allowed to do. However, rules are rules, and I didn't see the drone again until the end of the trip, which was quite a disappointment because I like using the drone. It gives a completely different perspective to some of our videos. What to do? That's when this came in. So this is the Insta360 x3, I guess, which came out fairly recently with this extendable selfie stick which goes on and on and on and on, 3 meters long. It opens up a whole new set of opportunities which I wanted to try out. So today in the garden, lovely day here today, I took my Insta360 to see if I could replicate a drone shot, a few drone shots, because we're going away again in a few days' time. This is the output from that little test. Now I think it's really good. What do you think? So there you go. How amazing is that? The pigeon wasn't freaked by the fact that there was a drone flying near it. The dog hiding away in the trees, absolutely fine. And I actually managed to get down in the trees as well, which I could never do with the drone. So actually, in certain circumstances, this is as good as any drone you're going to need, especially for low level.
I told Spotify that you like this.
So no, I think that's a really, really good little tool, and definitely one that I'll be taking with me on the next cruise and leaving my poor old drone at home for another day. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, something a little bit different. This was just something that I wanted to share with you because it worked amazingly well. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this strange sort of little video, and we'll see you next time on Mandy and Anthony's Travels.